Guys, welcome back for another video, and today I got some news about Samsung Wear OS, and I don't know if you're going to be happy or not about this, but this may not happen. So for the partnership we were looking for, I'm talking about between two heavyweight companies, Google and Samsung, to come together to bring about the ultimate smartwatch that was going to bring flavor to the market, competition to Tizen, may not happen. Now, Evan Blass leaked this. He's a credible source. Now, he isn't the only one that leaked this, right? There was another Chinese tech leaker called Ice Universe that leaked the same information, which leads me to believe that there may still be some hope of this happening, the partnership between Google and Samsung. But Evan Blass says no. He said what we saw on the wrist of employees was simply a gear watch running Wear OS that was actually created for some of the Samsung workers. That's it. That's all. Samsung is not creating a watch with Google, right? Which is sad a little bit. Now, to be really honest with you, me personally, I was looking for it because of the Google Assistant, right? That's why I was looking for it, but I am sad about it because I really was looking for somebody to bring some competition to Samsung Tizen, because there's no one that can light a candle to Tizen's operating system right now. The fluidity, nor the convenience that the Tizen operating system brings to the market. Now, with that being said, now Samsung and Google, I'm talking to you now. If you could put aside your differences, and if you're not going to make this smartwatch, you're not going to partner up, could you please give us the Google Assistant? Could you allow us to go into the Gear Manager store? Can you allow us to go into the Galaxy store? Can you allow us to go into the Google Play Store and download the Google Assistant, which is the #1 AI in the market to date? Now think about that, Google. I'll give you some time. Now remember, Google and Samsung partnered up and brought about the Gear Live. I don't see why they can't do it again, right? But all we can do is just wait. Now, Samsung is going to come out with the Galaxy Note 9, which I'm waiting for this to be released. Now, they're saying this is going to be released on August 9th. Now, we may see a new smartwatch when Samsung debut the Galaxy Note 9. All we can do is cross our fingers and hope. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.